therapy. We're here with Massage Guns Ireland, and we're on our 5th and final episode of our series where we're going to work on our partner using this gun to help discomfort. We're going to work on the ankles today. Let's go. Okay, so this is exercise 1 for our ankles. We're going to use the fork head because we're going to go straight onto the Achilles tendon. We're going to use this on a set and a 2. We're just going to move on here. So we're going to put our finger over the heel, and we're just going to nice and gently, not going onto the Achilles, but just run up both sides of it to loosen. And all we need to do is spend around 30 seconds just going up and down on the Achilles. And that's going to loosen the posterior side of the ankle. We're going to move on to exercise 2 now. So for our second exercise, we're going to use our air cushioned head. We're going to use setting 2 on the gun, which isn't too heavy. Then we're going to go straight onto the ATFL, that's on the front of the ankle. Then we're going to bring the foot into plantar flexion, and then slowly bring it up into dorsiflexion. Plantar flexion, dorsiflexion. Not too much pressure with the gun, let it do its own work. You're just going to work in a little bit. Keep moving the foot. And if your partner feels like they want to go a little bit further and hold, that's great. So 30 seconds here, simple work. So we're going to move on to exercise 3 now. So for exercise 3, we're going to use the bullet head, and we're going to use the highest setting, which is number 5. We're going to go to the bottom of the foot, and we're going to run through the plantar tissue. So just right in the middle of the foot, and then down onto the heel. So not too much pressure. We're on a nice high setting on the gun. Let the gun do its work. We are bringing the toes back into extension, which will pop out the arches. So concentrate on the heel then, and then again, if your partner has any nasty spots that they're telling you about, concentrate on them for 10 to 15 seconds. So that's our 3 exercises done. That's our 3 exercises done for ankle injury or ankle discomfort with your partner. We worked through the ATFL, the plantar tissue, and the Achilles tendon on the back of the ankle. That's also our 5th episode of our series on working with your partner with the Massage Guns Ireland gun. Should you have any queries, please reach out to Massage Guns Ireland. Thanks for watching.